This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all Margaux wine, the dear to my heart Margaux wines, because I worked as a winemaker in Margaux quite a few times. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Château Giscours, a third growth, a Grand Cru Classé, a third Grand Cru Classé of the Margaux appellation in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Château Giscours. Château Giscours. The typical French pronunciation, Château Giscours. Château Giscours. Note that the S at the end of Giscours is definitely silent, as is often the case with the last letters in French, but the S in the middle of Giscours is not silent. So say Giscours. Château Giscours. I made a number of videos around the Château Giscours, entering the winery, spinning around with the drone around Château Giscours because I worked for them for quite a while. I will link to those videos at the end of this very one. Château Giscours. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.